Hey folks, I just want to come to you today and I'm going to give you a commercial. We used to call it an station identification. Haven't heard that in a long time, but some of y'all will remember that. This is for Zooma, XOOMA.com / Randy Goss. That's where you can go to get this product. It's called Metabolize as we're coming into the new year. Win the weight loss battle with this new product. Facts. According to the Center for Disease Control, 40.3% of adults in the United States are now clinically obese. In other words, these adults are carrying excess amounts of fat on their body that leads to poor health conditions. In fact, obesity increases the risk of hypertension, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. And that's from the CDC. Win the weight loss battle with this new product. Obesity is a rapidly growing problem that has resulted in tens of millions of people turning to expensive GLP-1 medications like Ozempic and Wegovy in hopes of shedding their excess body fat and losing weight. Not only do these prescription drugs typically cost you hundreds of dollars per month, but they also come with a long list of possible side effects, including nausea, vomiting, constipation, and diarrhea. More serious potential risks include pancreatitis, gallbladder diseases, intestinal obstruction and gastroparesis. What if there was a way to harness the power of nature to help you lose weight and melt away unwanted body fat without potentially dangerous side effects and without the pain of spending several $100s per month? Fortunately, there is, and we call it Metabolize. Now, I've used this product too, and it's helped me. This simple yet effective fat loss system has been producing real results for people around the world for over 15 years. And now we're utilizing the latest nutritional research to completely reinvent one of the key formulas in this system, the Metabolize AM formula. What's new? The ingredients in this exclusive formula will help you reduce body fat and support lean muscle mass, increase your metabolism and your personal energy levels, control blood glucose levels and insulin, reduce carbohydrate cravings, and promote feelings of fullness, support healthy thyroid function, and lose excess weight. For the first time ever, this new formula includes the clinically researched and branded super nutrients, Chromax, and calorie burn. Backed by 45 patents and pending applications worldwide, and 100 plus research studies to support safety and efficacy. You can get that at XOOMA.com / Randy Goss. So, we could go into a couple things with that with the new year, with our New Year's resolutions that seem to kind of fall by the wayside sometimes. In that, there's often a lack of discipline, and if there's a lack of discipline, it often means also a lack of accountability, which also means a lack of relationship oftentimes, at least trusted ones. Now, the artists that I shared with you, Becca Shea she did a new song and put it on the YouTube channel, her YouTube channel, called, she's just changing the words a little bit, these, a few of my favorite things. And one of them does talk about friends who will listen. Um, that's really important. People you can trust, not just someone who will listen and give you a ton of advice and act like you're their patient or client. But with that, you've got that, and it would help to keep you accountable. And the other thing is discipline. There's self-discipline. Sometimes it's one of those things where you get the product, you put it on the counter, wherever the place is that you go to, that you'll see, whether it's next to the refrigerator or on the counter, that you're going to see it. And you're going to say in your mind, I'm going to put this right here, I'm going to leave this right here so I can get to it every morning and start doing it, and I'm going to be committed. That's another thing that we often, another word seems to be a byword nowadays. But committed and disciplined are two major things for your personal life. And then also having the friends you can be, accountable to is another. Maybe even put a note next to it, or draw a picture if you draw or paint of what you'd like to look like. So this is what I'm going to look like in X amount of days. So with that, those are just some points to help you out with the resolutions in the year 2025. There are other products that you can take advantage of in there as well, which one of them is the X2O. That's something you can use every day. So that's going to pretty much do it for now, I think. I just wanted to come and do that station identification. But I also wanted to encourage you in the Lord that you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And if you're listening to me, I haven't always been there. I've heard that said and been like, yeah, you don't know what I've been through. You don't know what I'm going through right now. And you can't speak life to my hand that held a sword before. So, in that, a part of self-discipline I had to learn is also to not involve yourself in becoming the Holy Spirit, in setting up boundaries, and allowing yourself, giving yourself permission, time to rest, time to take care of yourself. God bless you. Feel free to comment, to reach out to me, and see if we can do something on an accountability basis, on an encouragement basis, on having a friend that will listen. Maybe I'll get one too. I hope so. All right, brothers and sisters, God bless y'all. And if you don't know Jesus, you can. You can just say right now, Jesus, I need you. I don't know where this will take me right now, but I want to trust you with all my heart. I want the sacrifice that you took for me when you shed your blood and you gave your life and you picked up your cross all the way to where others crucified you. And you did that just for me. But you didn't stay on the cross and you didn't stay in the tomb. You're alive. And I trust you. Help me to go from here to know you more. And then start getting in His Word. Maybe get back into church. I don't know. Find a church where maybe you can get baptized. Reach out to me. And I'll see if we can't find something together where you're at. I may not be able to. But we can still become friends. At least acquaintances. And hold each other accountable. In this walk, in this journey. God bless y'all. Until next time.